Channel 7 News. Today is June 7th, 2014, and these days Channel 7 News have been doing a segment on the most influential people in Germany's history. Today we are doing German mathematicians, and we would like to cut to Joseph right now. Here you go, Joseph. Alright, Thomas, thanks for giving the mic to me. Today, we are going to do it on Bernhard Riemann. Bernhard Riemann was a successful and influential German mathematician who impacted analysis, number theory, and differential geometry. He was born in Breslau, Germany on September 17, 1826, and was the second son of 6 children, 2 boys and 4 girls. In school, he was average, but he did not stand out from the other pupils. He worked hard at Hebrew and theology. As a young child, Riemann suffered from nervous breakdowns. Later in his life, Riemann started to display explosive math skills, including calculation abilities. Yet many people did not know due to his fear of public speaking. In the year of 1840, Bernhard Riemann moved on to live with his grandma, and in high school, he amazed his teachers with his explosive math abilities. Sometimes he even knew more than his teacher's solid amount of knowledge on a subject. When Bernhard moved on to college, he went for theology at first in order to become a priest at the University of Göttingen. But he later found that he loved math and transferred to the University of Berlin. From then on, Bernhard will make great strides in math, and he will make great mathematical discoveries. Riemann's idea was to introduce a collection of numbers at every point in space which would describe how much it was bent or curved. Riemann found that in 4 dimensions it needed a collection of 10 numbers at each point to describe the properties of a manifold, no matter how messed up it is. This is centered to his geometry, otherwise known as the Riemannian metric. Later in 1853, Gauss, his professor at the time, asked his student, Riemann, to prepare a report on the foundations of geometry. Over many months, Riemann developed his theory of higher dimensions and delivered his lecture at Göttingen in 1854 as a senior college student. These are only some of his achievements, and his influence is still felt today. The mathematician soon was afflicted of a cold. His condition soon deteriorated, and his cold turned into a severe and fatal tuberculosis at 39. He died at Lake Maggiore, Italy, on June 16, 1866. After his death, people found his unpublished works, but he never allowed anyone to publish his incomplete works. Therefore, much of his valuable information may have been lost forever. Okay, that's his basic bio, and you can see how influential he was in Germany, specifically for math. Well, I'll just end it off with 5 more fun facts. 1. The Riemann hypothesis remains unproved to this day since it died along with him. 2. Riemann had a phobia of public speaking. 3. Riemann decided to focus on math by the urging of his teacher when he trained to be a priest because his teacher, while he was studying theology, noticed his great math skills. 4. Riemann died just 4 years into his marriage. 5. Due to his stubbornness to not publish any unfinished work, valuable information may have been lost forever, and we have been set back in discovering new things for math. Okay, thank you for listening to this. Channel 7 News will come back tomorrow with the most influential German leaders. Have a great day. See you June 8th, 2014, tomorrow. Channel 7 News, thank you.